every mile writes our name. Different roads, but we're the same. When one falls down, we all stand tall. No brothers left to face it all. Our bond is forged in trust and steel, a lifelong promise, strong and real. Not just a club, not just a ride, it's the